Hello, what's up Cardano holder? What's going on? In this video I will give you some very special information about Cardano, my friend. This is very huge update now for all holder, and also my friend I will predicate this coin, so kindly holder please watch this video completely to understand better. And yes my brother, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. As you can see here my friend, first of all the my subscriber all they completely know my friends to in my previous video I already predicted this coin, and definitely I will clearly told you my friends to 1 or 2 days they were fails down, but after that they were moving upward. So this is reality. As you can see here, they were temporary, they will take a temporary jump and temporary dump. As you can see here my friend, sometimes they were face down, sometimes they were moving upward. So therefore this is the circulation my friend. Everybody try to understand this does not mean to you are starting selling. All right, so I will give you my friend some very special information now. Please don't skip any second. As you can see here, first of all my friend, this time the change occurring is complete. You can see here after moving upward after the last 24 hours. So definitely that's mean to in last 24 hours they will wake up and starting moving upward. But in last 7 days minus 0.38%. Just only my friend, yesterday the price were fares down, otherwise my friend all 7 days they were moving upward. So please try to understand holder, if they were fares down for a short time, this does not mean to you are starting selling. So my advice for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. My friend, in last 24 hours 0.92% the price will get up and wake up and moving upward. And absolutely upcoming time my friend, absolutely there is a chances to the price will pumps up, because in last days of every month every coin will pumps up. So holders please don't starting selling, hold it. You will need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope the price will be going to double now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.